guys, welcome back again to my space. This is TechCZ. Yes, so in this channel we bring you guys tutorials that will help you if you are a YouTuber or ones that are coming into YouTube for the very first time. Simple tutorials that will help you to grow your YouTube channel to a very reasonable height. So guys, in today's video I'll be teaching us how to premiere a video on YouTube. Yeah, before I go into that tutorial proper, I would like to explain to you guys a little bit of what premiering a video means. Premiering a video means it's just a traditional means of uploading a normal video, the same way you upload your video on YouTube, and at the same time going live. Okay, when you premiere a video, it gives your audience an ample time to tune in. At the same time, you can chat with your live audience while you're premiering a video. If you're monetized, the super chats and everything is there as well. So guys, let's dive straight into the tutorial of today. The first thing you do is you open your Chrome browser or Google and you go to the search and type in YouTube Creator Studio. You type in YouTube Creator Studio in the search, then you open your YouTube Studio. When it's open, you go to where you normally upload your video. You can see create here. That is the normal way you upload your video. You do the same thing. You click on that red plus sign there, create. You say upload videos. When you click on your upload video, you select the video you want to upload. By then you must have finished editing your video with whatever app you use. The video is ready for upload. You go to where you dropped it in your phone and pick it up. Okay. Then the same normal process you take to upload a video, that same thing you do while you're trying to premiere a video. Okay, same process. You put your title, you put your description of your video. Okay, I'll just put something. Do the same thing. You can copy and paste. If you want to make it fast, you copy and you paste. You have done your title, you have also done your description. You upload your thumbnail. You can upload your thumbnail here, or either way you wait for the video to finish uploading and YouTube will also give you a thumbnail from the video that is uploading. You choose any one you want. Is this video made for kids? If it's made for kids, you say yes. If it's not, you go down. Then where you add your tags, you do the same thing. You add tags, but remember, this video is for tutorial purpose. I won't be doing all that. Okay, you choose the category where your video belongs to. Like mine here is written entertainment. After that, when the video is complete, you can see checks complete, no issue found. You go to the next page and you add your elements, you add your end screen and your card. But I'm not doing that. This is just a tutorial purpose. I go to the next page here. If you're monetized, this is okay. Yeah, you see copyright issues. If you're also monetized, there will be another check to find if your video have issue with monetization. But if it doesn't, if you come down, you see where it's written checks complete, no issue found, as you can see here. So I minimize it. Going to the next page, this is where we'll be working. Okay, yeah, so the video we are making now, you are going to, if it's premiering a video, is public, you're gonna make it. If you want this video to be an instant premiere, you see where it's written set as an instant premiere. This is the page we are going to be working on premiering a video. Yeah, if you don't want to premiere this video, what you just do is just say public, and you go down here and publish your video, and it's uploaded on your YouTube channel. But because we are premiering, like I said, it's on public now. Then it's asked, the next thing there, this, you can see that small boy said, do you want to make it an instant premiere? If you want to make it an instant premiere, you click on that box, check it. Okay, and then go down to publish, and your video will start premiering immediately. But if you don't want to do that, you want to schedule it, you go down a bit. Let me bold it so you guys will see where I'm working. Here, schedule. This is where you premiere, you schedule your video. You click on that schedule, it will bring out another box. Then it will say which dates you want to schedule. If you click on that arrow, it will bring down the date, the months, and everything. You choose the day you want to premiere this video. Okay, for example, we choose 2nd of September 2022. You go to the next box, which is time. You choose your time, okay, that you want to premiere your video. If you want to premiere your video next year, there's option for you to schedule that. Okay, so you just do the same. Then time zone. You see where time zone is written. If you open it, you see all the continents, country, time zone. You choose your country. Okay, same way you choose your country. Then video will be private before publishing. You now set as a premiere. Okay, this is simply how you premiere. You schedule your video for premiere. Then after that, you go and say premiere. You publish, and voila, your video is published and it's ready. Now let's go to the channel and see how it is. Okay, how the video came out on the channel. So I'll go back and I'll take you back to my YouTube channel and let's see. Okay, YouTube channel to check the video you premiere. This is how the video will look. Let me just show you guys. Okay, with the time and everything, you can see it's written here upcoming. Okay, this is it, this particular one. This is how it is. They will click on notify me. You can see somebody saying one waiting. Okay, so basically guys, this is how a video is being premiered. I hope this video is useful to you guys. Please, if there is any other video you want me to do, your comment on, drop a comment for me in the comment section. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you guys. See you by God's grace in my next video.